I don't know what noise Jordan's making, but it's freaking hilarious. Listen. That's all she's doing is making that noise. She's just making that noise. She's retarded. I love her. Okay, bye.